Hello YouTube, it's your girl Keela coming at you, naturally DubK, and other members of the Nothing But Us, all looking at their phones. So we got a busy day today, so we thought we'd take you along with us. So we are on our way to Starbeezy. We just left Quick Trip to pick up, they're doing the 12 days of Christmas. So we just picked up our free Red Bulls, even though I don't drink it. But yes, I'm gonna drive and vlog at the same time. How about that? But I'm being very safe, you guys.
My life feels plagued.
All right, so we got our order, which we're coming out of the indoor actually. Bam. It tastes good too. My forehead is shiny. So we got the Christmas bags ready, as you can see. And we have bad kids running around in the church house. I don't understand why. Hey, what are we gonna do with these nuts over here? These nuts. What are we gonna do with these nuts right here? Hey, Tish. Okay, pick that nut off the floor. Let me just. I will be right back. So Granny got the sausage and peppers prepped. There's Aunt Tish over there. So they're finna go into the oven. Right now we have the roasted potatoes in the oven. 2 pans over here and 1 pan down here. And Aunt Tish had to leave, so I was on baking duty, so I burned the pan. Can't do nothing. And yeah, so now I'm about to trying to clean as I go. So I'm about to get ready to wash these pans and stuff. You got some Jordan or you got some Air Maxes? Not the white ones. Let me tell you what. Oh, this was what? Okay, why? They all white. They're special occasions. Put half of them in here. All right, so we're getting ready for our Sunday school. Half of the peppers? Yeah. My boss told me to put half the peppers in these. Let's pull those strawberries out of there so we can start prepping. I didn't see no strawberries in there. Ain't the car place by the work now? Got pizza bags. Some people cook these first, but
I told Pete I love him, if I call, I know he come. Think about how my dog look in my.
All right, so we have made it to the church, and now we are about to get ready to do these decorations. To decorate in here for our Christmas breakfast. Buddy's calling. Hey you guys, I have made it home. I didn't get a chance to come back and finish the vlog, so I wanted to come back and just close this out here. So kind of got a little bit busy. There was another event that was going on afterwards, so but yeah, so I will vlog tomorrow. I want to show you the breakfast and what we do in the morning. I forgot my tripod too, so the videos tomorrow will be a little bit longer. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the little bits that we do have. So talk to you later.